All right, so today I'm going to walk through a little bit of a hack on documentation. One of the most important things in driving change behavior for a marketing or a sales organization is making sure that your team knows exactly how to work with their tools. So I'll give you an example. I've been using this tool called Tango, and Tango is going to help me document exactly what's happening in the opportunity. So let's say, for example, I want to do an opportunity management. I'll go ahead and click, let's say, this opportunity here. And I'm just going to capture a couple of things. I want my sales reps to make sure that they're filling out the appropriate fields. And you can see here I have a couple of options, a how-to guide and AI adoption. I just usually use the how-to guide. So, all right, so this tool is already capturing what I'm doing here. And I need it to, let's say I'm in the initial qualification stage. I want to move it to the discovery stage. My sales team is going to want to know exactly which field I want to fill out. So for example, you'll see this orange bar. That is the Tango tool capturing exactly which fields I need to update. But you can see here it says, read the information, discovery, exit criteria, nice to haves. In this instance, you can see that we're using medic. But in this case, I want to make sure that I'm filling out the champion. So let's fill out the champion. I'm just going to pick a random contact and the pain point. Let's assume that I'm selling a data analytics solution. So for example, Walmart is struggling with multiple data sources across several teams. Gaining access to the platforms requires a ticket for the data team and takes several months to confirm for roadmap edition. Okay, so let's just fill that out. We're solving for this particular pain point. Now click save. Then I'm going to go ahead and move it to the stage. Click on the stage in the chevron. I'm going to mark the stage as complete, and you'll see it's complete. So then on the right-hand side, you see I have this step-by-step guide on what needs to be filled out. Let's just say I want to complete this. So let's complete it. It's creating my workflow. And then you can see a little bit of confetti, and it's filling out, updating Salesforce champion and marking stages complete. And it now gives a step-by-step of all the different screenshots that I had. And you can see here that I can have a couple of editing options. So text, let's create a text. Click the sales path to access detailed information of the stage. And scroll down, et cetera, et cetera. All right, cool. So, all right, let's just assume this looks good. Then I'm going to click on preview guidance. I can see exactly what it looks like. And then more than just a document tool, it's actually showing me step-by-step on my Salesforce instance exactly what I need to do. So whenever one of my sales reps comes into Salesforce, they'll be able to see exactly what I need to do step-by-step, especially when I pull up this Tango, and I can follow along. I think it's quite awesome for the sales team to have their documentation inside the tool rather than flipping over to, say, a Google Doc, something on your Confluence page, an internal wiki of sorts. But here I can actually use my CRM in a way that is intuitive and organic for my sales team.